Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going to fit some LED lighting to this 2019 Ford Ranger. This Ford Ranger has been left down by not having these fitted to the trunk. The very first thing we must do is clean where we're going to fit the LED lights. So let's get started. As you can see, we now have the wire ran. We've all our LED strip coming down along here. In here. And we found a little hole just up there. I don't know, can you see it? We found a little hole up there that we could slide the LED ribbon through. So that's gone through now. Next up is to bring a power to here and power up our switch. So let's keep going. I've ran this cable directly from the battery under the bonnet, so I'm going to connect this here and I'm going to fuse it at the battery side. So let's get to it. I've ran the cable from the back of the van up the chassis rail straight to the battery, fused with a 7.5 amp fuse. So that should be it on this end. All we must do now is wait for it to get dark. That's it for today, guys. It's getting very cold. I need to get in and get warmed up. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe for more videos. Peace out!